students, be cautious, stay safe, stay healthy. I welcome you all for today's discussion on business tree. This is very important topic in the viewpoint of your examination as well as in the viewpoint of knowledge. See, before going to the second model, third model, fourth and else models in a first few business studies, we must get the knowledge of the branches of business, the various branches, various types, various sub-branches of industry and commerce. See here, business means related to industrial activities and commerce. In the subject business, we discuss about various types of industries, their activities, their products and process, commerce, types of trade and the process. Totally in past POC, we have 12 models. As per NCERT, we discussed 12 models, all the 12 models pertaining to this business tree. And in the previous classes already we have discussed, and we came to know that to start a business, right? To start a business, we need money. See, as a entrepreneur or employer or as a person going to start a business, he is investing money, right? Is pouring water, means he is pouring money to the roots of business. Means money is very important. He is investing money, he is pouring money to the business tree. Finally, you can observe this. It gives profit. Right? Fruit. This is the fruit from this business tree. This is the fruit. So this fruit called profit. So business requires investment and finally it gives profit. Dear students, this is the business tree. See, in business tree there are two branches. One is industry, another one is commerce. First branch, and the business starts with industry. Or else there is no meaning for business. Actually, the business starts with industry, hence the first branch of the business, industry. And second branch, commerce. The first branch, industry. What is industry? Industry means a place, well established place for converting raw material into finished product. A place where we convert raw materials into finished product to fulfill the needs of consumers. Called industry. There are so many industries have been functioning in the world. Different type of industries are functioning. Soap industry, sugar industry, oil industry, service industry, textile industry. So many industries have been producing products and rendering services to the public. Here in industry, there are three types based on the nature of the product. Based on the nature of product, three types, three broad categories. One is primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry. Three types of industries: primary, secondary and tertiary. Dear students, now let me give only brief details about the business tree. See, primary industry, a type of industries, right? In industry, three types, a type of industries starts with the help of nature and natural resources, called primary industry. A type of industries starts with the help of nature and natural resources, called primary industry. See, to the primary industry, we can give these two examples. examples. Genetic and extraction industries are the best examples and suitable examples for the primary industries. And these two are the types of primary industries also. See, in primary, genetic industry and extraction industry, the first one, genetic. Genetic means production and reproduction of flora and fauna, are plants and animals, called primary industry. Example, nursery, beekeeping, poultry farming, right, silk, warming. So these are the examples for genetic industry. Extraction industry. So extraction industry means a type of primary industry. A type of primary industry deals with excavation of resources from the nature, called extraction industry. From the nature means from water, beneath of the earth, surface of the earth, forest. We excavate some resources. Example, oil ore. From the oil ore we excavate oil. From the gold mines we excavate gold. From the iron ore we excavate iron. And we excavate fish from water. And we excavate salt. And we excavate timber from the forest. Extraction industries. To the extraction industries, we can give so many examples. Iron ore, gold mines, then coal mines, right? Then timber, hunting. These are the examples for extraction industries. So in industry, first one is primary industry. In primary industry is genetic and extraction. Next one is secondary industry. What is secondary industry? A type of industries starts with the help of primary industry. So your primary industries supply products to the supply their output, supply resources to the secondary industries. Always secondary industries, they depend on the supply of the primary. What the primary industries use to provide, what the primary industries use to give output, those will be entered into secondary industries. Secondary industries require the help of primary industries. Without primary industries, there is no existence for the secondary industry. So secondary industries are those industries start with the help of primary industries and their supply. So here secondary industries convert the primary industries supply into the finished product. Means primary industries use it to supply raw materials and secondary industries convert raw material into finished product. Only tangible goods. So in secondary industries, two types, manufacturing and construction industries. First one is manufacturing. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing means a process of producing products through several steps of production, or a process of converting raw material into semi-finished product and semi-finished product into finished product to fulfill the needs of consumer. It's called manufacturing. In manufacturing industries, four types: analytical industries, synthetical industries, processing industries, and assembling industries. First one, analytical industry. See, analytical industries use it to produce several products with the help of single raw material. Several products through single raw material. A type of manufacturing industries. A type of manufacturing industries deals with production of several products. Production of several products with the help of single raw material. Example, oil refinery is the example. In oil refining process, through oil, crude oil, through raw oil, right? Through refining process, with the help of single raw material oil, we produce white petrol, diesel, kerosene, right? These are the products we get from the oil refinery. Here oil, single material, single raw material, and we get many products. That is analytical industry. Next one is synthetical industry. So your synthetical industry process is totally opposite to analytical. See, in analytical we produce many products through single raw material, but here through many raw materials we produce single product. That is synthetic industry. Example, soap, cement. right? We need so many raw materials. Example, to manufacture a soap, we need turmeric powder, we need sandal, we need aloe vera, right? We need rose petals, right? So many raw materials, so many ingredients, so many things we need to assemble, we need to mix to produce a product that is called synthetic industry. Synthetic industry, a type of manufacturing industries deals with production of a product with the help of several raw materials. Is called synthetic industry. Best example, soap and cement, paste, shampoo, right? Next one is processing industry. See, processing industry, the word itself suggests that processing. See, processing means it takes several steps. So, your processing industry, a type of manufacturing industries, deals with production of a product through several steps of production. Is called processing industry. Example, textile industries, paper industries, sugarcane industries are the examples for processing. Example, textile. So in a textile, right, to manufacture a product, saree, right, it takes several steps. First, right, through handlooms, we get thread, then fabrication process, cleaning process, then weaving process. Right? So many activities, so many steps we take to manufacture products, that is called processing industry. The last one is assembling industry. See, assembling industry means connecting so many spare parts or connecting required spare parts to manufacture a product. Means we produce a product, we make a product by connecting so many raw materials, that is called assembling industry. Not so many raw materials, so many spare parts. Connecting several spare parts to make a single product. That is called assembly industry. Best example, automobile industries. Car manufacturing, right? To make a car, we need to connect so many spare parts. Example, motorbike, we need to connect so many spare parts. Example, computer, right? TV, laptop, right? CPU, right? We need to connect so many spare parts to make a single product, that is called assembling industry. So, in industry, primary industry starts with the help of nature and natural resources. Second industries start with the help of primary industries, and secondary industries output will go to the customers or the end users. Next one is tertiary industry. So, before going to the tertiary, in secondary industry, construction industries. See, construction industries are very essential to provide infrastructure facilities to the public. So, construction industries provide infrastructure facilities. Example, construction of road, dam, bridges, right? Water tanks, apartments, buildings. So, construction industries. So, in secondary industry, manufacturing, construction. And the last one is tertiary industry. The tertiary, last one, tertiary industry. See, the tertiary industry is nothing but service industries. So, from tertiary industries, we get service. But from the primary and secondary industries, we get tangible things. So, secondary industries provide goods. Secondary industries use it to manufacture and produce goods. But tertiary industries manufacture services. So, a tertiary industry, service industry. Services means banking, education, airlines, insurance, telecommunication, warehousing, advertisement, postal services, right? And business process outsourcing, knowledge process outsourcing, legal process outsourcing, right? So these are the examples for service industry, right? Tertiary industries. So tertiary industries use it to render services to the public, and secondary industries use it to sell goods. So both are very important. Both goods and services are very important to satisfy the needs of customers. So customers, they need both. They need service and they need goods. Right? We all require education. Banking we need insurance from the tertiary industry. And from the secondary industry, we buy cloth, right? Soap, shampoo, oil, paste, brush. This is all car, motorbike. This is all we get from the secondary industries. So next class we discuss about the commerce and branches of